How does the Keras functional API differ from the Sequential API? Have you ever wondered how different ways of building models in Keras can impact your projects? Today, we will look at the Keras Sequential Application Programming Interface and the Keras Functional Application Programming Interface to see how they differ. The Keras Sequential Application Programming Interface is quite straightforward. It allows you to stack layers in a linear fashion. Each layer has one input and one output. This makes it easy to use, especially for simple models where data flows from the input layer through to the output layer. However, this simplicity comes with limitations. The Sequential Application Programming Interface is best suited for basic models that do not require complex structures. On the other hand, the Keras Functional Application Programming Interface offers much more flexibility. It allows for the creation of models that can have multiple inputs and outputs. This is particularly useful for advanced architectures. For instance, if you want to build a model that takes in different types of data or produces several outputs, the Functional Application Programming Interface is the way to go. With the Functional Application Programming Interface, you can create models that are not just linear. You can have branches and merges, which means you can design models that fit your specific needs. This is especially important when working with complex tasks in artificial intelligence and machine learning. When you think about applications like ChatGPT, DALL-E, or Midjourney, you can see how the Functional Application Programming Interface is essential. These tools often need to process various types of data at once. They also requiring the ability to generate multiple outputs. The Functional Application Programming Interface makes it easier to create these complex models. In addition, productivity plugins that help with model design benefit from the Functional Application Programming Interface. They can representing complicated model structures clearly, making it easier for developers to work with them. From an ethical standpoint, the Functional Application Programming Interface allows for responsible model building. It can handle diverse inputs and generate outputs tailored to specific needs. This is crucial for ensuring fairness and accountability in artificial intelligence systems. For beginners, starting with the Sequential Application Programming Interface is common. It helps you grasp the basics of model design. As your projects become more complex, transitioning to the Functional Application Programming Interface will allow you to tackle more advanced challenges. In summary, the Keras Sequential Application Programming Interface is great for simple, straightforward models. The Keras Functional Application Programming Interface, however, opens the door to more complex designs with multiple inputs and outputs. Understanding these differences can significantly impact your approach to building models in artificial intelligence and machine learning.